Welcome to an Assamese in Austria. Today, we're taking flight to showcase the breathtaking beauty of Hallstatt and its enchanting surroundings, all captured from above. Hallstatt, a gem nestled in the Austrian Alps, is more than just a pretty face. It's a UNESCO World Heritage site with a history as rich as its stunning scenery. Perched precariously on the western shore of Lake Hallstatt, this picturesque village is famous for its charming pastel-colored houses, many of which are built directly into the steep mountainside. And now, let's turn our gaze to the mesmerizing expanse of Lake Hallstatt itself. This crystal-clear alpine lake stretches for nearly 8 kilometers, with a maximum width of about 2.3 kilometers and an impressive depth of up to 125 meters. Its calm, emerald green waters perfectly mirror the towering mountains and the charming village, creating a truly postcard-perfect scene. Today, it's a popular spot for boat trips, swimming, and even diving, offering a refreshing escape in the heart of the Alps. As we glide over Hallstatt, you'll notice the distinctive architecture that makes this town so unique. Look closely, and you'll spot some of Hallstatt's crucial landmarks. Dominating the skyline is the Catholic Parish Church of the Assumption, with its striking spire reaching towards the sky. As we sweep across the lake, our drone gives us a glimpse of the impressive Schloss Grub nestled on the eastern shore. This privately owned castle, with its distinctive towers, stands as a testament to centuries of history. Finally, we conclude our aerial journey with a serene view of the Hallstatt train station. Perched directly across the lake from the main village, this charming little station offers a unique arrival experience. It's a truly iconic way to arrive in Hallstatt, offering one last breathtaking panorama of this unforgettable corner of Austria. Thank you for joining an Assamese in Austria on this incredible flight over Hallstatt.